mate. Have a look at it.
Out of nowhere, when the first responder rounds the bend, a massively tall, dark figure could be seen standing off to the side of the forestry area.
I thought it was hanging onto the tree.
Much to the surprise of the man before,
giò
already making a sharp noise before completing the long time, while occasionally glancing back to see what it was.
Was it a Bigfoot?
While there are certainly no answers that have been proven to be true,
Come on now, come on, let's see this. Come on. What the hell? What? Is it standing there though? I mean, where's the rest of his body? Is he standing on one leg? And the other leg's up here, like doing the splits? What the fuck is going on here?
to be true, the most popular belief here is that this first responder had an encounter with none other than a Bigfoot that day. But what do you
A
think?
Bigfoot? Big bollocks, mate. He's got big bollocks hanging out of his chin.
Do you think that this first responder managed to spot the elusive creature that day, or was this something else entirely? Either way, I think this guy is going to want to stay as far away from this trail as possible.
Stay out of the forest. You might find the bullbag man. Looks like
For one TikTok, a user named Lizzie going by the username Planet Lizzie posted video to her account in which herself and a friend were out randonauting when they encountered something shocking. The Randonautica app, for those of you who are unaware, allows the user to explore their local region and report on what they find by randomly generating coordinates. The app's developers claim that it is to attract strange things.
What is
it's weird stuff, mate, that people have seen on this.
Allowing users to select certain locations based on a predetermined theme. Lizzie says that she and her friend were taken to a really random
That's just scared the shit out of me.
place, a bunch of abandoned apartments, when all of a sudden they heard a noise that chilled them to the core. Watch and listen.
khúc từ long thang thịt bò bằm xíu này bài nó khúc suy đây ít thịt mà thì đau đấy